Do I hear? I hear sirens. Have some of you not turned in your room keys? Do some of you have someone else's room keys? Have you paid your taxes? I think we have a problem. Actually, what we have is that some years ago, an item was stolen from College High School. That item has been recovered by the police department, and they're now returning it to College High School. And I think it's going to be very worth your while. Willie's home.
Could we have Gary Toothaker here, please?
First time in a week, Boatwright hasn't been able to talk. Gary Toothaker, could you come over here? I saw him a minute ago. Here he comes. Superintendent of Schools, Dr. Gary Toothaker.
Yes, right. It's after all these years, Willie's back.
Willie's back. You okay to read the number?
I don't know.
I read it. Whoever took him and brought him back sent a note. This is edited for mixed company because we don't know who stole him. No, actually it says, we would like to express our gratitude to the class of '62 for allowing us the opportunity to visit with our son Willie, who we had not seen in many years. He tells us Bartlesville is a very nice place to live. He just felt cooped up in that trophy case. Please take him to the J-Bar every once in a while so he doesn't get lonely. Lovingly, Waldo and Wilma Wildcat. So Willie is home.